Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to disable end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to disable or turn off end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp, and after that guys, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon, and over here tap on settings just below the start message, and over here again tap on the chats, which is just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here scroll down, there you can see the chat backup option available for us. Tap on chat backup, and if you have turned on the end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp, it will be turned on. You can see at the bottom of the screen there is the end-to-end encryption backup turned on. Now in order to turn off or disable it, tap on it, and you'll be able to either change the password or turn it off. Tap on turn off, and type your password over here of your end-to-end encryption, and after that tap on next and tap on turn off. And with that being done guys, you can see you have turned off or disabled your end-to-end encryption. And guys, this is how to disable or turn off the end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.